Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car tweeters available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is DS18 Pro TW120B Super Tweeter in black. Top of the line tweeters, professional grade super tweeters that can handle high frequencies with ease. DS18 meticulously designed these tweeters to sound as good as they look. Power you can count on. Pro TW120B Ferrite tweeter delivers out of this world power, at 200 watts RMS and 300 watts max at 4 ohms with built-in capacitor filter. High quality aluminum frame and diaphragm. If you like your highs crisp, bright, and loud, aluminum tweeters are exactly what you need. It's light, strong, and produces a bright sound at high frequencies. Take your system to the next level. Get the most out of your system by upgrading to a super tweeter that gives you everything you're missing from your stock stereo. Discover what a high-end tweeter can do for you. 1-inch Super Bullet tweeters, specifically designed bullet dust cover to protect the voice coil and ensure that the highs cut through road noise and big bass. The second product on our list is JBL GTO19T Premium 0.75-inch component tweeter. Available in several different sizes to suit your vehicle and audio needs, this set of 2-car tweeters is designed in a soft dome format. The high notes should come out smooth thanks to the oversized voice coils, which offer higher levels of heat dissipation and greater power handling. Even under demanding conditions, the carbon composite, non-magnetic baskets retain their integrity. While many modern cars come with undersized wires, these speakers are designed to make up for this and get the best sound quality that your vehicle can deliver. Key features: oversized voice coils offer greater heat dissipation and higher power handling. Low impedance, 3 ohm speakers. Smooth, fatigue-free highs. Non-magnetic baskets maintain their integrity. Specification: brand JBL. Model GTO19T. Weight: 2 pounds. The third product on our list is Infiniti Ref 275TX edge-driven textile car tweeters. Thanks to the high level of performance that they offer, Infiniti speakers are a popular choice with many audio enthusiasts. Producing a silky smooth sound and a precise level of detail, the high notes of your favorite tunes are bound to sound even better when played through these tweeters. Not only do they handle well on their own, but they also produce an excellent bass response at the same time. Key features: popular choice with audio lovers. 45 watts RMS output. 3.0 ohms impedance. Specification: brand Infiniti. Model Ref 275TX. Weight: 15.2 ounces. The fourth product on our list is Rockford Fosgate Punch P1TS Tweeter Kit. Whichever way you choose to install this tweeter into your car, this kit includes a recessed tweeter mount to do this. Providing concentric clamping pressure around the perimeter of the mounting hole, setup should be straightforward. The system includes 120 watts maximum power handling, as well as the 1-inch pay dome tweeter itself. The frequency response is 3.5 kHz to 22 kHz with 90 dB sensitivity. Key features: includes external, audiophile grade, 12 dB/octave high pass crossover. Suitable for flush, surface, and angle mounting. Designed for straightforward installation. Specification: brand Rockford Fosgate. Model P1TS. Weight: 1.51 pounds. The fifth product on our list is Tempano TPST4 Black 3.5-inch Super Tweeter. Crystal clear highs, these tweeters are capable of generating extremely loud volume you need to keep up in the high SPL environment. Designed for efficiency, the aluminum diaphragm has been engineered to take the power needed to keep up and maintain crystal clarity. Built-in crossover, a capacitor that eliminates out all low-end frequencies that might otherwise harm the super tweeters. Compact, the terminal of the ST4 are compact for easy installation. Quality you can trust. Engineered and designed in the USA, the ST4 are high compression bullet tweeters that are rated at 250 watts max peak power each. Ready to deliver a major concert sound to your sound system. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.